Sige ng doktora.
Na-interview ko na kung isang ka-physician nga nag-practice sa conventional at the same time alternative medicine.
Or integrative. Actually, wala na lang alternative. Kaya ang alternative, you forgo the conventional and you do the alternative. But what's more being encouraged is integrative. You retain your conventional teaching at the same time, infuse mo. Manila, Eastern and Western. There's no single treatment. Idea for us kayong training is US. If you go to Europe, there are different types of treatment. Aside from medicine, yung anthroposophic medicine, damo na siya galing lang aton books for puro US. But if you go to Europe, damo na. Same way conventional sa orthopedics. Ang training naman is US, pero kung sa Europe, wala sila dahil, which is also effective.
So, what type of alternative medicine daw kami na practice?
More integrative. Same with Doktora. Anthroposophic medicine. Kami, Dr. Amy Chua, Dr. Japet De Leon, Dr. Amargo, Dr. Cerdose, Dr. Trenya, Sorpedia. Same kami. Anthroposophic medicine, which is more integrative medicine.
Can you tell us more about anthroposophic? Like, ano na siya again ang anthroposophic
Oh.
medicine?
Anthroposophic medicine is a branch of anthroposophy. It's a movement started by Rudolf Steiner. He's an Austrian. Then, because farming, which you have biodynamic farming, it is education, you have the Waldorf education in Saraga, Steiner education. You have handicap and anthroposophic medicine. So it's a holistic. So part lang siya ng anthroposophic medicine. Anthroposophic medicine, they see patient as fourfold human being na balina. It's not just the physical. Diba sa conventional medicine, you take out something from this disease, from this person, study it under the microscope. But for anthroposophic medicine, you study the whole person. There is a physical body, there is etheric, ang balina na. It's a life-giving, the ether.
Okay.
And you have the ego or the I, or the consciousness, ang balina. Ang isa pang astral, which is the destructive part, the more active part. When you're awake, the astral forces mo na siyang predominant. Muna siyang degrading, decaying. Once you sleep, ang etheric forces naman muna nag-predominate. That's why when you sleep, more ang healing nag-occur when you sleep. So in anthroposophic medicine, you see individual as a fourfold human being. So not just the physical, but you have the physical body, the etheric, the astral, and the eye. So any disease entity or problem could be an imbalance in any of these forces. Probably or too much like pneumonia, like infection. For infection, it's more astral. Astral na siya. Although when we started this, syempre during the first conference ng Bulaka, we were not taught there's such thing as physical, astral, but in conventional medicine, we just tell you that this is the physical body, this is the disease entity, that's all. You don't care about the soul, about the spirit, about anything. But if you really look into it, you will be surprised that an individual is really comprised or composed of fourfold human being. The physical body, the astral, the etheric, the I, or the ego. Same with, and also the threefold human being. You have the feeling, the willing, and the thinking. This is the thinking part, the feeling part, and the willing, the actions. So there's also a balance in the feeling, the thinking, and the willing. Yan ang individual. Kung puro ka lang head, wala ka action, wala ka will, wala man. Puro ka lang action, wala ka man feeling, no emotion, noise, no attachment, wala ka man. So in the treatment of individual, so ina-consider na siya. When you go to anthroposophic hospitals in Europe, you'll be surprised nga ang physicians dito nag-order sa'yo, maybe this patient will benefit from music therapy. So may card na. Ang card sa may baile, may flip. So masulod na siya sa room, sa ka-patient. Naka-IV na, may antibiotics mo na siya. So they try to play the instrument prescribed by the doctor. Tapos, anthroposophic medicine, we also use remedies, homeopathic remedies. The bottles, mga ano sila, mga samples. For the past 30 years, may ito nagamit sa paracetamol for my children, antibiotics, so pwede pa lang kamunin nila pang gamit. Sulfur, radium, Dr. Espanola, American siya. Pero more on psych medications. Magamit ka na, very small, knife tip lang mo yung gamay under the tongue. So, when I treat my patients, lang ko itong preferred yung conventional kung okay siya for homeopathic. When I treat patient ko, I ain't taking conventional medicine because of the side effects. So, ano pwede yung ma-offer? So, wala.
Anong difference na, Doc, sa conventional?
Ano ang?
Difference ang homeopathic conventional
Side
medicine?
effects. And it will stay for lifetime. Wala niya expiration. And it really enlightens, relieves, very, very effective for sore throat, for cough, for asthma. May pedya naman, hindi silang treat. But subspecialized, you can only become an anthroposophic doctor if you are a licensed physician. Unlike in homeopathy, pwede kaya ka homeopathic doctor without being a doctor. Just train for natural or herbal medicine, doctor ka na. Pero after you undergo some prescribed curriculum for being a doctor. So in gist, kung na anthroposophic medicine, sees an individual as a fourfold human being. And the treatment is not just very physical, not based on laboratory. So may use kami sa biography. I get the biography when we're young, high school, college, and found something somewhere in your biography that is not into which is now presenting as your problem. Cancer ka, problema ganyan. Hindi lang tungkol exposure sa radiation or anything. So the biography work mo, nalantaw mo siya. Tapos nalantaw ang anong sura mo or objective, tapos we practices plant observation. Sa anthroposophic medicine. Tapos you can also Google Anthromed. Yan ang Anthromed, anthroposophic medicine. So it's being practiced all around the world. Physicians may works in it. So mix. St. Luke's may practice sila. Water delivery, yan sa anthroposophic medicine.
Ano ba na, sa Manila, may ako nakatuan na, I think oncologist siya, si Dr. Arabia. I think nag-practice mo siya sa integrative medicine. Pero sa iya naman yun, though sa nutrition, because may mga flushing, ang caffeine.
Yes, mayroon naman na. Pero what differs from the other integrative medicine and anthroposophic medicine is it changes the doctor or the person. Only it's not more of monetary. It's not money. That may nalaga sa anthroposophic medicine. The medicines are really cheap. Ang isa lang ito 200, 100. Tapos ang time na ginaput mo sa each patient. You go with the patient, you go with the process, you go with the disease. Bukod kasi yan, nag-guide mo siya. Until sa mag-ayo na siya o hindi siya mag-ayo. But ang nakatapos sa buong sa alternative, ibigin mo na siya negosyo. Because it's very in. Okay, integrative 2, bunikan mo yung prescribe mo. Pagbuwa mo, bubos ko ito sa integrative, but they're not effective. Being abused na alternative because they shy away from chemicals. So, offer nila something naman pero at the back, money-making mo siya ako. But for anthroposophic medicine, you also prescribe education. Healing education through Waldorf education. So, at a young age, 1 to 7, I'm going to develop will, 7 to 14, rhythm, 14 to 21, yun ang intellect, susulit. Unlike in the Western situation and other schools, so yun develop cornea, unang brain, which would be the last one to be developed. Computer later, pa 14 to 15 later, which is also part of being an anthroposophic doctor. So Dr. Aim Chua is the school physician sa Waldorf Education. So sa para mga the anthroposophic medicine, partly education.
So, let me ask you how you started getting yourself into anthroposophic medicine. Like, paano siya nag-start? Diba, when you were in med school, puro conventional na.
I was just curious after my children enrolled in a Waldorf Education school. So sa school, ang na-prescribe ito sa is homeopathic remedies.
Kamu man sila nag-decide niya dito sa school or paano ka
naglibot ko.
naka...
Pag-Ninyo, Assumption, tanan yun, I cannot find a school that's really appropriate for my children. And I stumbled upon the Waldorf Education. They just started with one classroom in Salaga. May website na sila. So from there on, kita ko nga ang development sa child. No television, junk foods, organic food, natural surrounding, tapos ang medication. So from that on, I got into conference. Dito Clara also went to Dornach, that's in Switzerland. We got a conference for anthroposophic medicine. Then after that, yearly, we got conferences just to know and how to diagnose, to develop your keen observation.
Ano yun sir ang difference sa, like, paano nag-change ang practice mo ever since nag-kuha ka sa mga seminar and courses on anthroposophy? Paano nila influence?
Change yung output. You can communicate more with your patient. And you can diagnose, you can feel, or you can see hidden data or problem na wala yung gina-vocalize. And you're relying more on your history, your PE, your biography, than just your laboratories. And you become more human, not just a skilled, highly technical doctor. Kasi kung mag-iwan ka or clinic, laboratory. Prescribe based on the laboratory. Pills, medication, definitely. Okay, here, next. So I prescribe less medication. In fact, when they give me samples, I just dump the samples there. And I rarely prescribe antibiotic unless needed. Rarely prescribe pain medication unless needed. More of compresses, guava, and they laugh at me. But it's okay. Before, it's difficult to start, but after you are comfortable, okay na give. They also give injections. Ini locally made. May mga anti-cancer. Pellets. Mga for pain, injectables.
Hindi ko may doctor po sa inyo.
May gina-order na sa buwan, Switzerland. Tapos mga...
So, research din sila doc ng mga medicines.
Yung copper. Wala German sa ganyan. German ang German.
Nagtuon ka ng German.
Wala kayo din. May interpreter. Conference. Yung mga researchers nila.
So, recognized man doc ang mga medicines mo by BFAD?
Sa Europe.
Europe.
Approved. Pero din hindi pa. Tama pa lang siya.
Hindi pa masyado recognized doc.
May buhat. Kapag may curriculum niya sa Europe na incorporate sa anthroposophic medicine. Yung mga surgeons na may anthroposophic doctor dito.
Musical.
Mm-mm.
May kinetics. In German.
Bali do holistic kijang approach dok sa
Holistic ang approach niya from your diet, from your history, from your family, tapos pati education mo. So, what is being changed is not only the way you prescribe, pati ang being a doctor, being a person. Yung mga change, yung mga typically change, you're not just after the mind.
So gina-integrate mo dok ang anthroposophic nga approach sa lifestyle and also to all of your patients.
Okay, like, I'm using cabbage for my bed sore. I get the green type, green portion of the cabbage, nalunod ko na siya. Kasi napak ko sa bed sore. So, every 3 days ko pa. Grow lang din ako. It's very cheap. It's can be done by anybody, by a caregiver. So, hindi siya mahal.
Pero since grabe may man ang effects ang anthroposophic medicine dok kag mga homeopathic medicines, why is it that only a few practitioners?
It's difficult for the others to change their practice. It's not as lucrative as, because there's no sponsor. When you go to conference, you pay on your own. There's no chance for the medication to be taken in large amount because all you need is a knife tip under the tongue. Very small though, pinpot lang. That's all you need. Very small, not the big tablets, not the big capsules. Lifetime. There's medicine for hypertension, diabetes. And in Europe, we're trying to push this out. Kaya mga drug companies masuffer. Just imagine. Very small amount, maybe you're like, not like this one, maybe you're sure. And it's very fortunate for you. First year, parang kung you get to expose to this one. You have a choice. If you go out in Europe, there's a lot of this. There's a lot of this. And chemicals, din lang nag-dump sa Asia. But in Europe, doctors are more aware that these medicines are more effective or almost equal. And if you're practicing integrity, if the patient needs immediate treatment like status asthmatic, you need steroid, you give steroid. Once it is stabilized, you shift to homeopathic. So conventional is still there, you still offer it, you still give the interventional drugs for acute, but once it's stable, you continue homeopathic, shift them. Balance. Hindi mo pwede nga Tagalog homeopathic, may mga severe bleeding, so mga acute drugs yan. So, okay lang pala siya.
Ano mo kayo sa kadugay ng practice ng anthroposophic?
6-7 years.
When you started, were people welcoming or medyo hesitant pa? Try sa...
Others, I first started sa kids ko as a family. To my son. And I saw improvement when I tried with patients.
Anong feedback ng patients mo to? Do they prefer
Yes, they prefer the medicine. Pag they come to me and ask for the medicine, sometimes I'm out of stock. Some of them will just prescribe it to their friends. You try this one. I'll do them. But the way you prescribe it is not like the way you prescribe conventional medicine. Go out of the counter, over the counter. But you really have to examine the patient for folding and being. You examine the physical, the etheric, the astral, and the it takes time. You're doing ka na. And also as doctor, we have our art therapy gawin kami. Every summer, 1 week na siya. May clay na kami, clay therapy. So kami prescribe clay for persons kaya so manic, so kala. So hyper. So we try the clay. Grounding. Kung habang mo siya down. Prescribe painting with very bright colors. You can see the changes from first day, the last day, the painting changes. Damo capabilities. Maganda.
So, hindi daw ginabakal na siya or nagkakadto lang hindi sa gamay mo lang di ba ang dosage?
Bakal sila.
Gabakal.
Bakal sila. Pag okay naman, stop naman sila. They just take it for 2 weeks. Unless maintenance is needed. Tapos some injection. Last summer, may nag-attend ko, sa third year sa conference sa Germany. Then Portico, anong year sa school?
4th year, I think. Or
Fourth year.
or third
Mga
year.
sila to, mag-attend sila sa conference. siya eh, do subspecialties. Kung psych nga, anthroposophic doctor, kung opta sa sagwa, OB, anthroposophic doctor, anthroposophic doctor, cardio anthroposophic doctor, so subspecialty siya. Hindi yan treat-all. Pero kung general ka, kag wala ka sa subspec, di ikaw lang eh. Kung mayroon na ginatag mo tayo. Wala pa kami OB, wala pa kami cardio, di ka pang record pa kami. Today ganit, they will tell you, okay, natin kami pa review yung subretin, okay, it's 1 week, there is no sponsor. Ikaw ganit siya out sa bayad. Others will not be out for 1 week sa ila practice, but they can be out for 2 weeks for vacation. Pero, you will learn a lot.
So initially, Doc, how long did it take you to somehow get the gist and perfect the practice of anthroposophic?
I'm not yet in the perfect one. I'm still
Oh.
learning.
Pero before you started, no?
Sometimes you just have to be brave to start it. Maybe after 3 conferences. I'll start with the very mild, very basic. Very mild, very slowly. And once you are more confident, you can move on to injections. And give injections for back pain, for neuralgia, for arthritis. Kasi until form, could be Formica, an extra. But you have a lot of remedy. May stand mo na siya. So you can study each drug. And also have a mentor from outside. Okay, na sa inyo ka-expose na.
Ano siya kanunga? Usually mag-train sa medicine.
So you have to attend 5 summer trainings. It could be summer, it could be in any, basta back IPMPs. Kaya rin sa Anthromed, nakasulat nila. 5 nga conferences. Patag 1 week na. No modules.
So, 5 weeks basically yung training.
5 weeks of training, pero yun ang cut na. Ito may program na gusto mo. Then, in the last part, you get to present a case. Kung i-treatment mo, manigyan mo. It's better off that you do it once a year so that you get to see a patient, prescribe the medicine, if it works or not, then you attend another conference naman. But it continues, sige.
So, 5 years basically na.
5 years, ibang shortcut nila. Every month, attend
Dire-diretso.
sila. They can go to Malaysia to attend, to Japan, Canada. So every year, may calendar in 1 year. Every month, there's a conference in each country. So you can go there and attend a conference. Japan, India. So may program mo na siya.
Bali mapili ka na lang kung diin.
Pili ka na kung din. So next year, plan namin kung makata sa Switzerland, sa Dornach, attend naman. Last year or 2 years ago, nag-attend sila dito. So little bit expensive to. Yung mga sponsors.
So bali, Doc, ang like Switzerland ang nag-pioneer sa anthroposophic. Germany.
Germany. Or the Austrian, si Rudolf Steiner.
Okay.
Si Dubai. Rudolf Steiner is like a doctor. He collaborated with a doctor who started anthroposophic medicine. So, I'm by him. Okay.
So for the Doc, since you practice anthroposophic and there are very few practitioners of you here, do you have extra charges for your patients because of such practice? Or
Same.
same?
Consultation, ask medicine. No, I don't charge extra for anthroposophic. Although it takes time. Sometimes I schedule them at a particular day where I can give my time. But honestly, for now, I'm so busy. Sometimes when I prescribe, it's like over the counter. That's why we also it's really difficult.
So, mas dami yung patients daw ka compare.
Okay, so orthopedic surgery is more of acute, so you have to prescribe more. But later on in the recovery stage, that's the time you move on to anthroposophic medicine. But with acute, you can give Arica, it's an oral. tablet or pellet. If you go to Manila, you can go to healthy options. You can see sections for this one for homeopathic remedies, pellets, tablet, powder, liquid.
And Doc, have you noticed a certain increase in your patients
For joint, yes.
after
For
anthroposophy?
joint anthroposophic medicine, there's a big increase right now. And as per 9, we saw 40 patients today.
Hmm?
Half day, 9 to 12. And I always see patients during my clinic, about 25, 30 patients. They're laughing at me because my practice is not orthopedic, it's almost like medicine. Because it changes you as a person.
So process yun Doc sa patient. Like how long does it take for the patient?
As you become more adept at it, it's become faster. But I really inclined, let's say maybe 10 patients a day if you're really into anthroposophic medicine. Takes time.
Pero like, pila sila mo, sige sila ibalik for a period of
It depends on the disease. I just prescribe for medicine after 2 weeks they come back. They for little tests. We tell them, okay, increase the dosage, shift the medicine, do warm compress, do acupuncture. Depends on the partner.
So, questions?
Doc, will you, so sa pag-change sa'yo sa anthroposophic medicine, you won't give up na
Conventional.
hindi, for good na, kumbaga, na i-ano mo talaga yung anthroposophic sa,
It's already a part of yourself.
Mm.
You have carried it. Sometimes your staff is guiding it, but as a doctor, as a person, there's a big change after you join the anthroposophic medicine.
In what way?
Because you're treating the patient, not just prescribing and talking. Giving advice to them, and I feel the energy. It's a big change. You see the bigger picture, and you see that everything is connected. From the plants to the trees, to the animals, to the living world. They're all connected. You see the connection. All the things that you do, your actions, your intentions, and your goal later. Your life becomes more simple. That's the way I see it. For me, it's very so simple. I just strive so much and in the end, nainis ko lang yung mga goal na point na there's so much greed, there's so much hatred, there's so much empty in this world. Pag sinisigi na, yung filter out na lang yung mistake. So as a student, you see consultants, you see them. Sometimes you get so attracted to those good practice, try to see them in the context of their way, their need to disengage, treat their patients. So, depends on others are exposed to this grow a lot. They're not interested because there's no money. Bottom line money.
So do you see a brighter future for integrative medicine Doc, or more and more?
Yes, always integrated doctor. There's anthroposophic doctor, anthroposophic nurses. They work together. I forgot to bring my laptop. I have the pictures in the hospitals of the nurses. The arthritis feel to me. I need a lecture before. And also for ang setting nila, there's a big hospital, anthroposophic hospital. Beside it, there's the Waldorf School from elementary high school in Santos College. the back, we have a big farm, may dynamic farm. So the farm, the proceeds of the farm is being used by the hospital as well as the students with the police station.
Can you describe more kung ano ang sa Waldorf school? How different is it from the ones we have here na usual education?
In modern education, the child is being brought to his full potential. They consider at the age 1 to 7 is the age of imitation. So during that stage, what is being developed is the will and the skill of the child. So dapat ang teacher is so dedicated to the child because that teacher will be mimicked by the child. So the teacher nila from grade 1 will be their teacher up to grade 8. May mga special education lang sila. Math, may math lang yan. Music, may music lang yan.
Okay, nice.
From 7 to 14, development of the rhythm. So they have art, theater, music, playing. From 14 to 21, wala. More development
Intellect.
sa thinking, more critical thinking, and they go to 1 to 7, storytelling sa talaga. Storytelling. Tapos they develop the rhythms of that. Time to sleep, time to eat, time to wake up, no plastic toys. Computer started only at 14, age 14. For that wala.
More intensive na siya na school? If they stay there or
They go home. Fully
So,
well.
dapat cooperate talaga yung parents.
Family, yes. Sa balay dapat wala TV. For parent ko.
Yung parang ginamit din ng parents.
Yes, they have to sign when you know your child that they promise that there's no television at home. The teacher will check ang balay from time to time for siya. Ang tawag niya kung may television. Kami, for the past 13 years, wala kami TV, maski sa room na. But there's no television in our house. My kids, no cell phone, wala sila sa they're age 8, 11 and 13, all boys. They only go to National Bookstore, Brazil, LSM. Going to KFC is already a luxury for them. They don't go to fast food, they don't make soft drinks. But they just do fast food sa houses. So, gina-train ko na bata. Once they grow up, high school, na-start ko sa computer. Computer, PC ko na iba. Then they try to assemble it first. This my PC. And that's the time they can do that. So once sa music may program ng isa na violin, ng isa na piano, the paintings nila. They're exposed to everything.
how do they insert the sciences? Because di ba kung after Waldorf, let's say they go to college,
Damo na. We have two schools in Manila. Our one-year school. Damo na may nag-Ateneo na, may UP na. Damo naman because personnel, mga siyempre, mga famous person na graduated from one-year schools. Damo naman. So it's easy. That's why we expose the child sa tanan sa arts and music. So when they grow up, they get to choose kung ano gusto nila. An example, we raise a child, okay, mag-doctor ka. Ikaw, abogado ka. Amo na. What does our society offer? Do amo na nga. Actually, Waldorf School offers them. You can be a very good builder. You can be a very good farmer. You can become a very good carpenter. You can be that somebody. Wala na. Lagi na balay ka na. Lagi na yung doktor. Lagi na. You can be anybody. You can be something. Kung ano yung i-pursue. So, amo na each one is gifted like a different skill, different sets of thinking. So, literally, talagang literally. Kasi sino mo rin matanong sila sa mga manday ka pa muna. So, we bring you up as a totally balanced individual. You can be a very brilliant physicist, pero na-flat na yung mga car. Hindi ka wala mag-prepare, hindi ka wala mag-change ang tire. So, because that raised up with a balance, thinking, feeling, and reading. Gusto niya magpag-grow sa Waldorf. Will, feel, think. Sa buong yung education, yung ginaulang think, ulihin ang feel, ulihin ang will. Ako ba sila? Sa kagulo mong isa ka sa kampo. Dito yung kabataan kung saan naka, sumakaway, kinakaway sa Waldorf education. So they're very skillful. They can walk in bamboos, at a young age. Pag second na, to learn how to play instruments. Play. Then pag high school na, more intense na, mas rigid na education. Lower, more play, more creative, thinking out of the box. At least yung hindi lang na, yes sir, yes doctor. You become more critical. Kaya ngayon na-train na kapati kagit. Ano you follow, pero you think beyond. Kaya sa school, paint ang chocolate color, mga drawing sa teachers. Tapos ang kabataan, may mga notebooks na sila. Tapos wala libro. No assignments. Assignments only kung high school na upper grades, pero lower grades wala assignment. Ang kids sleep at 8 o'clock, then wake up at 4:30. Nido nila muna. Pag 8 yan, off na tayo. Huwag kayo nang balan, off na sa tulog nila sila. Pag sa buwan na, pag 8 o'clock, ito yung train. Alright.
So for the so, thank you good Doc sa time tag sa effort nito. And by the way, Doc, it's okay if you take pictures sa
Sige.